Today we will be learning chapter number 4 in geometry titled Geometric Constructions. I strongly believe that among all the chapters, this chapter is the easiest because you don't need to learn any formulas or theorems for doing these sums. But then you need to practice these constructions by doing it. For when you do things, you learn better and faster. For it is rightly said, practice makes a man perfect, and the only way to learn mathematics is by practicing it. It cannot be memorized, so you need to do these constructions, boys. Now, to do the construction sums in this chapter, you need to know some basic constructions which you have learned in your lower classes. Like for example, you need to know how to draw a perpendicular to a line through a point given on it, how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment, how to draw an angle congruent to a given angle by using a compass without using a protractor, to divide a segment into n equal parts. When I say n equal part, it means anything like 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, 5, anything, any number, n can stand for any number, into n equal parts by using a compass without using a ruler, to construct a triangle when 3 sides are given or 2 sides and the included angle are given. In case you have forgotten or wish to revise these basic constructions or the sums of practice set 4.2 given in this lesson, which we already taught you in your 9th standard, kindly watch the videos by Study Cloud which I have posted on your school app. I am highly grateful to Mr. Mehta, the proprietor of Study Cloud, who has been kind enough to grant me the permission to post the video lessons on our school app during this lockdown. As for the construction sums given in practice at 4.1, I have prepared my own videos to teach you the same. Moreover, similar kind of sums have also been demonstrated in the videos by Study Cloud which I have posted. Even then, if you still have any queries in this chapter, kindly note them down and we teachers will try to clarify them once the school reopens. So I wish you all a happy learning time.